People have been asking, now that I've been to all of the lower 48 contiguous states, what's next? And I know I want to take on another adventure. I know I want to challenge myself. And I think I have a great idea. A lot of people live in vans, right? It's been heard of before. What vehicle hasn't been explored yet? What possibilities might we be missing out on? And I think I found the answer. You've heard of van life. Now get ready for forklift life! When I moved into my minivan, I thought people have lived in big vans before, but I think minivans are pretty new. Come to find out, it was not new at all. In fact, people have been converting school buses and ambulances and all kind of vehicles you could think of. What hasn't anyone converted yet? I think the answer is right in front of us. And let me tell you some of the benefits. First, I pay $0 for gasoline. This baby runs on one of these guys. So, yes, I do have to pay for fuel, I guess, like if we're gonna split hairs, but $0 spent on gasoline. And check out this ventilation. Open air concept, minimalistic, and at night, I can see the stars. A lot of times when people are living in a van, they have to set up their bed every night, convert it from a couch to a bed. With forklift life, there is no such thing. In fact, you don't even have to get up from where you're sitting. To go to bed every night, I just scooch forward, put my legs up on this thing, and lean my head back here. All ready for a good night's sleep. One of the most unique features about a forklift are the forks themselves. These babies have endless possibilities. You could use it for a table or desk, a standing table or a standing desk. Add a jug of water and you've got yourself a shower! Scrub it up, done! And let's talk about the stealth that this thing provides. While you're living in a vehicle, you could go in a parking lot, but the authorities could suspect any vehicle in a parking lot to have someone living inside it. However, what if you're not in a parking lot? What if you're at a construction site? Most people will probably pass right by you, not even realizing, oh, there's a person in that chair. And if they do, they're not suspicious of that. It's obviously just an employee working really hard overnight, not moving, not making any progress, but maybe they're thinking about what they're gonna lift and lower and move next. Some of you might not be all the way stoked on this lifestyle yet, but let me tell you this. It's really fun to drive a forklift. Safety first. What forklift life means to me is being creative. There are still adventures out there that no one's thought of yet. And to me, that's what makes it all worth it. That's why
Hey, I thought I told you to stay out of here.
Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.